మహిళల భద్రతను మరింత బలోపేతం చేయడానికి రైల్వే ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ హైదరాబాద్ డివిజన్ వినూత్న కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టింది. పింక్ పట్రోల్ పేరుతో ప్రారంభించిన ఈ ప్రత్యేక డ్రోన్ నిఘా వ్యవస్థ భారతీయ రైల్వేలలో మొదటిసారిగా మహిళల ఆధ్వర్యంలో అమలులోకి వచ్చింది. ఇండియన్ రైల్వేస్ యానివర్సరీ సందర్భంగా ఏప్రిల్ 16న ప్రారంభమైన ఈ కార్యక్రమం ముఖ్యంగా ఎంఎంటీఎస్ నెట్వర్క్ లో ప్రయాణించే మహిళల భద్రత కోసం రూపొందించబడింది. ఈ ప్రాజెక్టు వెనుక ఉన్న వ్యూహాత్మక దృష్టి సోనాలి మిశ్రదని తెలిపారు.
Drone taking off, tracking train. Drone team launches of moving MMTS train. It acts as a first responder.
अच्छा ठीक है, न्यूज़ करके कोई पकड़ने वाला नहीं है, सोच रहे क्या? नहीं, आज ये शक्ति टीम है, पकड़ो।
And the offender identified based on drone inputs and passenger identification. Situation under control and we are apprehended for creating nuisance in the ladies' coach. And the offender is taken into custody for
the suburban railway network. What is particularly noteworthy is that this capability is not being outsourced. It has been institutionalized within the force. The all-women Shakti team, when Vishnuta was female ESC in Kandrabad division, there she started these Shakti teams, and which is still being continued there under the name of Nagamma and Rama Singh Thakur, President SCR WWO Hyderabad, Srimati Asha Verma, Division Railway Manager Hyderabad, Shri S.K. Verma, Additional Division Railway Manager, Shri V.S. Ramarao, members of SCR WWO Hyderabad, colleague branch officers, friends from the media, and my dear passengers, a very good evening. Thank you for all gathering here today for the launch of RPF Hyderabad's initiative of drones as first responders for women's security called the Pink Patrol. At the very outset, I would like to begin by acknowledging the vision of Miss Sonali Mishra, DG RPF. She has given us mandate to RPF for procuring and operationalizing drones as first responders in all operational requirements. Accordingly, drones have been procured in Hyderabad division. But apart from doing the normal duties, what we found through the feedback of lady passengers is that over LMTS section, the patrolling of drones in the evening hours was tremendously helpful in reducing cases of nuisance and trespass and unauthorized passengers entering the coaches reserved.
WWO, Asha Verma, ADRM, Ramarao, Devansita, PNSC, all the team from RPF, AFC, branch officers, representative of electronic and print media, passengers. आज इस महत्वपूर्ण अवसर पर मैं आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ। और आज जो है बहुत ही हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है कि आज हम लोग पिंक पेट्रोल जैसे एक महत्वपूर्ण पहल का आज हम लोग शुभारंभ कर रहे हैं। और आपको पता है कि आज एक बहुत ही विशेष दिन है, 15 अप्रैल। आज ही के दिन 173 ईयर्स पहले आज ही के दिन बॉम्बे से पहली रेलगाड़ी चली थी। तो एक बहुत ही खास मौके पे हम लोगों ने चुना है इस इनिशिएटिव को लॉन्च करने के लिए। आज हैदराबाद मंडल आरपीएफ टीम ने एक बहुत ही शानदार इनिशिएटिव लिया है पिंक पेट्रोल के माध्यम से। पिंक पेट्रोल के माध्यम से जो हम अपनी जो एमएमटीएस ट्रेन है उसमें जो हमारे महिला पैसेंजर्स हैं और बच्चे हैं उनके ऊपर जो है हम लोग एक सुरक्षा की भावना हम लोग उसमें इंस्टॉल कर पाएंगे कि उनको एक सुरक्षित यात्रा का एक माहौल हम दे पाएंगे जो है। और इसके अंतर्गत हम लोगों ने ड्रोन सर्विलियंस वी आर यूजिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी। हम लोगों ने पास 3 ड्रोन हैं और इन ड्रोन के माध्यम से हम जो है पूरे एमएमटीएस ट्रेन पूरे एमएमटीएस रूट पे उसकी हम पेट्रोलिंग करेंगे जो है।
कितने उसके स्टाफ हैं?
टोटल हमारे पास अभी 3 ड्रोन है हमारे पास और उनके लिए हर ड्रोन के लिए 2, तो टोटल 6 स्टाफ को ट्रेनिंग दी गई है।
तो इसका रेंज कितना है?
200 किलोमीटर।
but they move around 100 kilometers.
ये ट्रेन के साथ ही आते हैं, 200 किलोमीटर का रेंज है हमारा जो है। तो ट्रेन साथ ही मूव करते हैं जो साथी ऐप है, उसमें जैसे किसी भी अगर महिला पैसेंजर को अगर कोई दिक्कत होती है तो उस व्हाट्सएप ऐप के माध्यम से वो अपनी ट्रेन के बारे में सूचना दे सकते हैं और इमीडिएटली हमारा कंट्रोल रूम एक्टिव हो जाता है और वो ये शक्ति टीम चार्ज ले लेती है और ड्रोन सर्विलेंस हम भेज देते हैं और उस आदमी को तुरंत अगले स्टेशन पे हम उसको अरेस्ट कर लेते हैं।
अभी पायलट प्रोजेक्ट है सर। अभी
ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट हम लोगों ने मार्च में लॉन्च किया था, अभी उसका बहुत अच्छा सकारात्मक हम लोगों को परिणाम मिला है, तो अब हम लोगों ने इसको फॉर्मल लॉन्च किया है।
Initiative called the Pink Patrol. Our DG RPF, Miss Sonali Mishra, she envisioned that every division should have drones because drones will be used as first responders in any operational performance. Accordingly, when we put up the proposal, our divisional railway manager immediately thought that this can be used for passenger security initiatives very well, especially women's security. So he said that you should give a name to it. We were using it for patrolling, so he said you should give a name, you should do a pilot on it. तो सर के इनिशिएटिव में हम लोगों ने इसका पायलट प्रोजेक्ट मार्च से लॉन्च किया। सर ने ड्रोन सैंक्शन करके दिए हमको, तो ड्रोन जैसे ही यहाँ पे आए तो हम लोगों ने MMTS में जैसे इनको इवनिंग के आवर्स में जो कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं, वी हैव स्टार्टेड सर्वेलेंस ओवर द MMTS stations. Women passengers gave us a very good feedback that in Hyderabad the MMTS stations in the evening lot of these college students and some other people would come, they would perform stunts on the door, the footboard of the station, they would enter the ladies coaches. Now when they see those pink drones flying in the evening, they think that they are under surveillance, which is correct because these drones are highly capable of night vision cameras. They have proper zooming, so we can capture their faces as well. And once we are capturing and registering a case, then they know they will be prosecuted under Railways Act. So that is acting as a deterrence. The lady passengers actually gave us a very good feedback in the last 30-40 days that we have done a pilot. That's why we are launching it on a full scale. We'll be procuring more drones and we'll be putting it in other MMTS locations as well. One very good thing is that the people who are handling these drones, it is by women, it's a by women for women initiative. All the women are trained by DGCA. They have a remote UAV pilot license. They are completely trained. They have the license to handle these drones and they're doing it wonderfully, and that is resulting into the detection of cases. They know exactly, because train mein you know very well that there is OHE and the track, there is a lot of movement. So how to maneuver those drones in the railway premises is also a very important technique that needs to be learned, that they have learned it, done a rigorous training, and now they are being deployed.